Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Massimo UTV is probably one of the most versatile and robust utility task vehicles on the market, offering an unparalleled blend of power, durability, and comfort for both work and recreation, making it an essential companion for anyone tackling tough terrains or demanding tasks, and truly standing out in a crowded field of off-road contenders. Number 5. Chikia Massimo Oil Filter for UTVs. Keep your Massimo UTV running smoothly with this brand new, standard engine oil filter. It's designed to provide optimal performance and protect your engine. It is engineered to be a perfect cleaner. It effectively removes contaminants from your engine oil, transmission oil, lubricating oil, or hydraulic oil. It fits a variety of Massimo models, including the Gunner 250, MSU 400, MSU 500, MSU 700, and MSA series. This ensures broad compatibility for many of their UTVs and ATVs. You'll find it's also suitable for Alligator 500 and 700, as well as Knight 500 and 700 models. Ensure your vehicle's longevity with this reliable part. Please note, it is not compatible with Massimo Buck UTVs or T-Boss UTVs. Always check your specific model for proper fitment. Each package contains one high-quality oil filter, ready for immediate installation. Upgrade your vehicle's filtration system today. What we like. This is a brand new, standard engine oil filter designed for optimal performance. It's a perfect cleaner of contaminants from your engine oil, ensuring your UTV runs smoothly. If you are looking for a reliable, standard replacement oil filter to maintain your Massimo UTV's engine health, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. Massimo 60-inch Universal ATV UTV Snow Plow Kit. This kit is designed for broad use. It features a universal mount plate and push frame, ensuring it fits most ATV and UTV models for efficient snow removal. Equipped with a wide, heavy-duty 60-inch blade, it's built from durable steel. This allows it to clear driveways, paths, and open areas with remarkable efficiency. Its blade offers 5-position angle adjustment. You can set it straight or angle it left or right, adapting to all your unique plowing needs. You can easily adjust its blade height from 1 to 3 centimeters above the ground. This feature helps protect pavement, gravel, or any uneven surfaces during operation. Built with reinforced steel and a powder-coated finish, it ensures lasting strength. This robust construction provides excellent resistance to rust and harsh weather conditions. What we like. This snow plow kit offers universal compatibility, fitting most ATV and UTV models. Its 60-inch heavy-duty steel blade and 5-position angle adjustment make it highly versatile. If you need an efficient and adaptable solution for clearing snow from various surfaces, this kit provides the robust performance and flexibility you require. What people say. Number 3. Wet Clutch Drum Kit for UTV ATV Hisun Massimo. Upgrade your UTV or ATV's drivetrain with this essential component. It's designed to deliver superior power transfer and reliability for your off-road adventures. This kit is engineered to fit a wide range of popular models. It's compatible with UTV ATV 500, 550, and 700 series vehicles, ensuring a perfect match. Whether you own a Hisun, Hisun, or Massimo, this kit has you covered. It also works seamlessly with MSU 500, MSU 700, HS 500, and HS 700 models. Don't forget Bench Bighorn and Coleman Outfitter owners. This durable kit is a perfect replacement or upgrade for these popular machines too. Experience smoother engagement and extended lifespan for your vehicle's clutch system. Invest in this high-quality kit for peace of mind on every ride. What we like. This complete wet clutch drum kit is essential for maintaining your UTV's drivetrain. It ensures smooth power transfer and reliable operation across a wide range of compatible models. If you are experiencing clutch issues or want to proactively upgrade your UTV's performance, this comprehensive kit offers a robust and dependable solution. What people say. Number 2. Chikia Hisun 500-700 Wet Clutch Kit. Is your UTV or ATV experiencing clutch issues? This brand new, factory-tested wet clutch kit is designed to bring back its optimal performance. It ensures smooth power delivery for your adventures. This kit is a direct replacement for many popular 500 and 700 series models. It fits Hisun, Massimo, Benche, Powersports Outfitter, Axis, and Supermach vehicles. Ensure your specific model is covered for a perfect fit. You'll receive a full assembly including the wet clutch cover drum housing, pad shoe, and one-way bearing. It also comes with an oil filter, oil seal, and all necessary nuts and rings. Everything you need for a complete overhaul is included. Each component in this kit replaces specific OEM part numbers, ensuring a precise match. From the clutch cover to the oil seal, these parts are engineered for reliability. You can trust it to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle's system. Please note, this kit is not suitable for 550-750 models or specific T-Boss series. Always confirm your vehicle's year and model before purchasing. Also, check the friction disc, 21T, and oil seal size, 35 by 65 by 9, for absolute certainty. Crafted from high-quality materials, this clutch kit offers superior durability. It's built to withstand tough conditions and provide long-lasting, reliable operation. Enjoy peace of mind on every ride. Don't let a faulty clutch hold you back from your adventures. This comprehensive kit provides everything needed for a smooth repair. Upgrade your vehicle's performance today with this essential replacement. What we like. This factory wet clutch kit assembly provides a comprehensive replacement for multiple clutch components. It includes the cover, pad shoe, oil filter, and more, ensuring a complete overhaul. If you own a compatible Hisun or Massimo 500-700 model and need a full, high-quality clutch system replacement, this assembly is specifically designed for your needs. What people say. Number 1. Chikia Hisun Axis Oil Filter for UTV ATV. Keep your UTV and ATV running smoothly with this brand new, standard engine oil filter. It's designed to effectively clean contaminants, ensuring optimal performance for your vehicle. This filter is a perfect fit for a wide range of Hisun UTV and ATV models. It supports 250, 400, 450, 500, 550, 700, and 750 series, providing reliable filtration. Beyond Hisun, it's also compatible with many other popular brands. This includes Massimo MSU, Axis, and Coleman models, ensuring versatile use. You'll find it works with Cub Cadet 503-01156, and various models from TSC, Rural King, Yard Sport, Supermach, Big Muddy, and Clink. It's built for a wide array of utility vehicles. Crafted to be a perfect cleaner, it removes contaminants from engine oil, transmission oil, lubricating oil, or hydraulic oil. This ensures your vehicle's vital fluids remain pristine. Please note, this filter is specifically designed for Massimo and Benche models manufactured before 2017. Always check your vehicle's year for proper fitment. What we like. This is an original parts engine oil filter, ensuring quality and reliability. It boasts broad compatibility across numerous UTV and ATV models, including many Hisun and Massimo units. If you are looking for an original quality oil filter that offers excellent engine protection and fits a wide array of vehicles, this is a versatile and dependable choice. What people say. The Massimo UTV offers robust engine power for challenging terrains. Its sturdy frame and suspension system ensure a comfortable ride. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.